Welcome to Procor Limited. I'm Ron Way. Procor designs, manufactures, leases and repairs railway tank cars and specialty freight cars.
Headquartered in Oakville, Procor manages Canada's largest private rail car fleet. We transport products like petrochemicals, chemicals, liquefied gases, agricultural and fertilizer materials, and food products. Our vision at Procor is to be the preferred lessor of specialized rail cars and supplier of related products and services in Canada, while providing an environment which recognizes the contribution of our employees and the interests of the community. We want the time you spend in our shop to be interesting, productive, and most of all, safe. Over the next few minutes, we will inform you about our safety rules, policies, and procedures, and potential hazards. We will go over the personal protective equipment you must wear, how to be a safe pedestrian, how to navigate the motorized traffic, the need for fall protection, and the requirements for entering confined spaces like tank cars. Some of these topics demand further training. You will also learn about the importance of blue flags, how to handle electrical lockouts, how to be environmentally responsible, and how to manage spills, near misses, personal injuries, fires, and emergency evacuations. Then we will summarize some general shop rules. That's a lot of critical material. If you have the slightest question, or if anything is unclear, speak with your Procor representative as soon as you can. And we would like you to become familiar with our health and safety and environmental policies. If you are a subcontractor, you should be aware that the principal contractor is ultimately responsible for the safety of its subcontractors, including arranging your orientation, safety, and supervision. Contractors may be audited from time to time to ensure compliance with Procor's safety rules. Here are some of our general safety rules. If in doubt about your safety, ask. Report any hazards or safety concerns to your supervisor or Procor representative. Obey all warning and traffic signs. Leave repair or maintenance of tools and equipment to our trained and authorized personnel. If you are an equipment operator, be aware of overhead and underground power lines. Ensure machine guards and other safety devices are correctly in place before using any equipment. We ask you to practice good housekeeping and to keep all work areas clean and organized. Please get permission from Procor management before you take photographs in the shop area. Never stand or walk under a suspended load. Never enter a confined space without proper training or checking the permit. Never work at a height of 10 feet or more off the ground without fall protection. Never direct compressed air against your clothing or body or the clothing or body of anyone else. To protect your vision, never look directly into the welder's torch fire. If you are a contract employee, never operate any Procor equipment or tools without authorization from Procor. We would request that you eat and drink in permitted areas only. When you are in the Procor shop, you must wear personal protective equipment at all times. This means a hard hat, CSA-approved safety shoes or boots, approved safety glasses with side shields, and in designated areas of the shop, hearing protection. If you are on foot, watch for forklifts and give them plenty of room to maneuver. Also watch for traffic when entering or exiting doorways, turning corners, or other areas where your view is obstructed. You should also be aware of overhead cranes and never stand under a suspended load. Watch for crane traffic when entering work bays and move out of the way when the heavy loads approach you. While inside the shop, walk within the pathways defined by painted yellow lines where they exist and whenever possible. And if you are near a transfer table, you may hear a warning siren. The siren tells you that the massive table is moving, so clear the track area right away.